Hello everyone, my name is Sonu Singh and today's topic Copilot Notebook. Copilot Notebooks developed by Microsoft and it was officially introduced in March 2024. Copilot Notebook available within Microsoft 365 allow user to organize and interact with their Copilot data in a structured way. It allows for more detailed prompt creation and remember previous interactions, enabling user to refine their instruction and explore different AI responses. Dedicated space. Copilot Notebook offers a two-pane interface, one for written prompt and other for viewing the AI responses. Enhanced prompting. It allows for longer prompts up to 18,000 characters compared to the standard Copilot chat, enabling more complex and detailed instructions. History and interaction. The notebook feature retain previous prompt version even after the AI has generated content, allowing user to easily tweak and refine their requests. Focused collaboration. Copilot Notebook is designed to be used for focused tasks where user can bring together relevant resources like file, meeting, notes and other link and have Copilot analyze them to provide tailored answers. Not a standalone app. It's not a separate application but rather a feature within the broader Microsoft Copilot ecosystem. Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Access to Copilot notebooks requires a Microsoft 365 Copilot license and a SharePoint or OneDrive license. Not for personal account. Copilot Notebook is not available for personal account like Microsoft 365 Personal or Family. How does a Copilot Notebook work? Type a question in natural language. Notebook convert into Python code. Execute the code and returns data or visualizations. You can refine using follow-up, prompt or edit. Why use Copilot notebooks? No need to be an expert coder, faster data analysis and reporting, chat style interface meets notebook power, fully integrated with Microsoft enterprise tools, bridge non-coder and developers. For example, ask a question in plain English. How do I calculate average in Python? Boom, AI give you the code plus explain it step by step. Visualize data, run Python code and take notes side. So, what is Copilot Notebook? Combine text, code and visuals all in one interactive interface. Text block, your question and summaries. Code block, Python executed in line. Visual block, real-time chats and outputs. AI block, auto-generated explanations. So, I have asked to Copilot Notebook, analyze my month sales data and generate a summary with a graph. So, here is the code and this is the graph. Graph is a visual block. Okay. Thank you for watching.